Welcome back. I'm here with my mom, Kathy,
Hello.
in my parents' home. And today we are going to be not only decluttering your kitchen because you're moving and we're going to pack those things.
Yes.
Let's dive in.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh.
It's always exciting what you find when you start digging in.
Was that where I put it? Okay.
Done this separately.
No. Wait, hold it. Oh, well. It's super heavy.
Super heavy. I didn't realize how heavy it was.
Let me move this stuff over here.
Okay, so let's talk. This we're keeping, right?
Oh, yeah.
I have an idea that we just start setting the things that are coming down to be packed over here.
All right, that's fine.
And that way we can pack it after the video.
The heavy stuff.
Now, when I brought this down a few seconds ago, you mentioned that you never use these.
I have not. And then you just push the bottom up. Who knows if I...
What about this? Do you ever use this?
That's the spring form pan. No, I think I used it once. I'll get rid of this and maybe with all those fruits I'm going to have. No? Okay.
I'm not making any comments.
Okay.
You decide.
I'm going to keep these.
If you've never used them, are you going to?
Well, I have because you see all this food on here.
Maybe just keep the bigger one then?
True. Okay. I probably don't need two. And
the stuff we're decluttering, I'm going to put over here.
Okay. I'm keeping my bundt pan.
These were on the fridge, so we're keeping these. Measuring cup, and one is a metal.
Oh, yes. This is a frother for coffee frothing. Do you use that for you?
No.
I'm going to get rid of this. And this old, I haven't used this one in a long time.
I saw something up here that I know can go.
I think I know what it is.
Close your eyes.
It starts with a C.
Nope. Starts with a T.
T. Oh. that was me tripping over the camera. Oh my gosh.
Right here.
T?
And I can see right here, this expired.
No, this is the one I drink. I've only got 2 left. That's my chamomile tea. I drink that in the evening.
It expired in 25.
Well, November 25. It takes me a while to drink it.
Well, this one expired in 23.
But no, Christmassy.
Tea filters, those are still good.
Tea.
No, I know you drink tea, but I'm just saying I saw one that was actually expired. It was probably that one.
Okay.
So this one, I don't even see.
Yeah, there it is.
25.
25.
So not that old.
No, this is that weird belly comfort stuff. I'm going to get rid of that.
We're going to take this to the new place.
Yes,
just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
You might be able to use it organizing. Right. So we'll take all that unless you want to keep one here.
I have more tea up on top.
This one also, let's just check.
That's not expired.
That one's still new.
Any more?
Well, I know this could probably be packed away. Or do you think you'll declutter this?
No, I'm going to use it. I'm going to make more Swedish cookies.
And now we have 2 of these that I don't know. Should you bring them?
I'm just going to take them and see how. Yeah,
I'm a headless horsewoman up here.
I know, and I've got a big head because I'm closer. So yes, I'll just take this. Oh, I just bought that.
And we have a coffee grinder up here.
That's what I'm wondering.
I am also wondering.
I haven't used this for so many years.
Grant and I used it for a while because you said, "Oh, use my coffee grinder," because I accidentally bought beans one time on accident.
You don't think you'll buy beans again?
You know what happened? I'm going to share this with all of you, and I'm sure it's just me being lazy, but I thought it was so much work
and clean
to
it
grind it here and then do that. And then you don't want to grind it too early because that's the whole point of having the beans, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And for me, I just felt that the taste of the coffee wasn't worth grinding my own beans.
As opposed to the can. Okay,
I'm going to put to the pre-ground.
I'm going to put this in the go pile because I haven't used it for at least 5 years, maybe.
Well, let me take them down.
I had them up there for staging.
What about this? Do you guys use this?
Yes.
There's something else up there. I felt.
Really?
This.
Oh, yeah. I don't need those.
These are going. This I feel should go because this is really nasty. It's like kind of sticky too. It's falling apart.
Okay, I'll have to buy myself another one. I could probably borrow one of those.
You have 5 or 6.
Should I just throw it in the trash?
I would, because it's decomposing.
Yeah.
I want to share with you something that I've recently added to my daily routine, Biologica. It is a daily drinkable multivitamin that is meant to replace your daily supplement stack. I love the way it tastes. I am drinking the cranberry lemonade flavor and also how easy it is to make. You simply open one of these sachets, dump it into your cup, add your water, give it a stir, and it tastes delicious. And because this tin of sachets lives on my counter, it is an easy habit to stick with. Women's health needs change with age, and Biologica has the nutrients that you need during each stage of your life. Biologica makes 3 different formulas. I am taking the primary essentials. They also have midlife essentials and post-menopause essentials, and there is a simple quiz that you can take to figure out which one will work best for you. And a huge thank you to Biologica for sponsoring this video. Head to the link at the top of my description or go straight to biologica.com. You can save up to 32% when you subscribe. If you're not sure which formula is right for you, take their hormonal life stage quiz. It's quick and it'll point you right to the best product for you. We were fighting to get this dish riser out of this cupboard. It took us about 10 to 15 minutes and finally it came out.
I probably pushed that up. No, you can't.
You can't. There.
Yeah,
Oh, there.
Oh God, that was
keeping
that
this
was
thing?
the hardest thing you did today, was getting this rack out of that
I am
cupboard.
worn out.
That's horrible.
I actually pulled this from below, but
We don't need that anymore.
okay, this can go?
Yes, that can go. Another teapot.
I see another teapot too.
I
And
see
we already
another
have,
white teapot.
so we'll pull that teapot
So
down.
one of them can go.
This one's smaller.
This one's from Pottery Barn. This is going because the other one I bought.
This one's from England.
That's the one I bought it in Norway, so I'm keeping it. Pottery Barn can go.
So this one we're keeping.
Yes. We call them the BBs, backup bowls. Well, okay, there's a little story about this. We have 12 bowls, but all the other things we probably have 9 or 10 because over the years they break. But these bowls have survived. We still have 12.
That's amazing.
I know. These we
We're keeping all those or what?
yeah. I don't need the little ones. I don't know. I don't know.
There's one that's not matching in there.
I know. We can
So
get
maybe that one.
Whoa. Oh, I almost got rid of that one.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that little one.
Doesn't match. Also, you have this little syrup doohickey.
Yes, I use that.
I know.
My doohickey.
So I'm going to come out and say that you have
Oh my gosh.
a lot of coffee cups. I know these match, but you never use these ones because you have the ones you like to use.
Yeah.
So these are the BB coffee cups?
Yes. The backup. Broken backup. What do I call it?
You called it BB, I forget.
I know. Backup bowls. Those are the BCs, backup cups.
Okay. What are we doing? Are we keeping all of those?
I don't know. It's a set. If I want to set the table and I have coffee cups.
In my lifetime, these have always been our dishes.
I've used these for the Easter parties.
Okay.
Back in the old days. But these look brand spanking new.
But do you need 12 of them?
No, I probably don't need any of them. I don't know. Well, if I have people over.
Maybe save 6, or what do you think? 8?
My new.
Maybe 8?
Okay, 8.
We almost just decluttered another one right there.
Crunch. I think I'm going to get rid of.
Right, but before we started decluttering today, I just want to put numbers out there. You had or have 13 coffee cups that you use a little more, plus the 12.
Yes.
So that is
20.
Do math for
13
me.
and 12, 25.
25 coffee cups all together. And I always tell people, I have a whole blog post on this.
Oh, I know.
that
Coffee cup.
Coffee cups are one of the hardest things to declutter.
Yeah.
And they're one of the things that just comes about somehow.
Yeah. Gifts. You get a lot of coffee cup gifts.
So 22 people living here and 25, 26 coffee cups.
Right.
But you've set 4 of the ones set aside, and it looks like there's 4 more over there. So we're whittling it down.
Yes.
There used to be a lot more.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe 100.
I guess I just never counted the ones that went with the food set, the dining set, as coffee cups. They were just part of the set.
Oh my golly. Oh my golly gosh.
He uses those every single day.
So you have double, dolly,
I
dilly,
know,
dolly.
but these are serving things. I don't need these. These he uses. He uses the big ones once in a while.
What is the difference here? Why would you not serve in this one and only
He
serve in
loves
that?
those.
No, I'm saying why you said these are serving, these are not serving.
These are he eats his ice cream in there. And then sometimes he eats big things in here.
I get that. But you just told me these are for serving and these are not for serving.
Those are for eating. I like using these for like putting things, like if I'm doing salad, like a salad bar, I put all the different things in these little things.
I'm struggling to understand still. You're not allowed to use these for that?
I don't like those.
Oh, okay. So that's the thing.
I would throw those away, but
so Dad likes these. Does he need one?
And I like these.
Does he ever use 7 of them at the same time?
No, but you know, they're a set.
So we're keeping all of those and all those?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, we are.
What about these?
Those are my beating bowls. Beat it, beat it, beat it. No. Cut. Okay, what about these? These are...
Oh my gosh, I'm going to end up dropping all these.
These can go. I don't use them very often, but I do use them.
Well, if you use them, you can just keep them. Okay. I mean, I'm not saying get rid of anything.
I do it when I prepare things, small things.
What about these?
We use those. But, I mean, we don't need them all.
But do you need them for packing?
We probably...
can you not use them for the next week?
Yeah, we can pack those up, yes.
I think we're having 2 struggles here. Okay.
I feel like I've got at least 10 more years to pack.
We're having a little bit of an issue here as far as, it's not an issue, but the problem is we're decluttering and we're packing.
Yes.
It's getting confusing.
Yes.
Also, we have possibly only about 5 days or less to do all this.
I'm concerned more about packing myself.
Which is why I'm saying, let's just keep 1 or 2, but you're saying keep all 7.
Of those bowls, yes. Because we have at least 7 days here.
Because you can't wash a bowl in 1 day.
Yeah. Well, we're going to have that full. We'll do that. We can just leave like 4 of those. Or we can take all of these because we have the other smaller bowls.
Thank you.
I need to start packing this stuff up. These, I can declutter some. Let me see. I can declutter this one. It's all chopped up, trash. This one's trash. And I'll keep these. These are newer, and Dad uses it for his fish, and I use it for onions.
So I'm going to get down here, and I'm going to start handing you things. Are you going to be making lemonade in the next 5 days? No,
I don't need that.
What about
I don't need those two, because I've got the glass ones. Okay, let me see.
Anything can go out of that?
I use all of these. I shouldn't use these, but I do because I put popcorn in those. These ones have lids. These are Tupperware.
These are probably leaching chemicals into your food, all this type of stuff.
This? Mm-hmm. Okay, I can throw these 2 away because I know they're bad.
Whoop. Bunch of little things that
I never use those little things, so just dump it in the trash. Where are we going to put all this stuff?
This is overwhelming.
I know.
Really.
It is.
Because we're not just decluttering, we're packing, and packing is the overwhelming part.
Yes.
Because trying to keep everything safe for the journey, even though it's not far.
I'm really torn on this. I think you brought me that or maybe I bought it in
New Zealand.
In New Zealand. I never use it.
Well, get rid of it if you don't want it.
I don't use it. I don't know. Will it look good in the new house? And I don't leave it out. I don't hang it up. I bought that at a pottery store in New Zealand.
I don't know.
Or maybe you sent it to me. I don't know.
I forget. I have no idea. I mean, I've always seen it here.
Right. But I've never actually used it. But it's cool from New Zealand. Those are power shells.
Well, it's up to you. If you don't think you're going to use it, then I probably wouldn't keep it if I were you. But it's up to you.
But I don't really have any other trivets.
Except for all of those that we pulled out from up there. And
those woven ones.
Yeah, the woven ones from there. But
okay, get rid of it. I don't care. I feel bad getting rid of something.
Why?
Well, New Zealand, grants from New Zealand. Okay, you want it?
No, only because I don't have any idea.
You've got the whole new...
But I wouldn't use glass like this. Last thing, I don't want kids with big heavy things on my tile and all that.
I don't either, so I'll get rid of it. I'm not attached to it. It's just it's just a piece of tile.
Now let's think about this. Have you ever worn this one?
I usually wear this one the most. Let me see.
So this is like a half thing? No.
No, it's a whole thing. I got this at probably IKEA. Knowing me, I fall for all that IKEA stuff when I walk in. How will this look in my new house?
Very red.
It's kind of a Christmassy. It has pockets. I put my spatula here and my...
You have this one. You have 3 plus a Christmas one. I'm not saying you have to get rid of them. I'm just wondering if you're going to use them.
Randomly, I do use them. When I cook, I usually wear an apron.
Do you think you'll still use this?
Yes, we use that. Usually it hangs there. We use that every day.
Towels?
Those are my special towels. Special.
These are towels that you use or don't use?
I found, here's something I never ever use.
Okay, so that can go.
Yep, the kids like it. Let me see. Made in the USA. Will we ever find one of these again? Patent pending. Eco product company. I don't know. Get it in your hair.
It's up to you.
I don't know. Put it over there, and then if I change my mind, I'll pull it back out. I'm going to get rid of this lemon squeezer because it's pretty awkward. You could throw those out.
Okay, these can go?
Yeah.
What about this situation? This feels sticky, kind of weird.
I don't know where that came from. Oh, those were...
Do you use these?
I don't know. Someone gave me that. I don't know. Let's get rid of that. That goes on my something. I'm a unicorn. It goes on my head. It's a juicer thing, but I'm not
You're a ponycorn.
I don't know what it goes to. I'm just going to get rid of it. I have no idea what it goes to.
This video is in collaboration with some other YouTube creators that make videos on decluttering and simplifying. And this month we are all working on decluttering our homes. So I will have all of their channels linked in my description down below, as well as a playlist where you can binge watch all of our videos. I do feel this is all stuff we could pack unless you feel there's some more we can declutter. If there's more cups up there that...
Didn't we just do that?
We did it not that long ago, but I'm wondering if you're rethinking anything.
Yeah, I'm going to keep all this.
So we will pack all that, but I don't want to take it out right now because I think we're at capacity for
There's no more counter space, yes.
Now let's look through here. Any of this stuff?
No, this is pretty much gone through.
What about this? Keeping all these?
I don't know where I got that.
Made in China?
Probably not. I don't need that. I've never used it.
Okay, this can go.
But I'm wondering if I'll ever bake a pie.
Well, would you ever bake 2 pies at once?
A double-decker pie.
What are they for? Just pies?
Pies.
Would you ever use 2 at one time?
I know. They're like for when we would do those quiche type things, you know, those breakfast things we used to do. Well, I could do this. These are cake dishes. So
you got cake dishes.
Yeah, this is different. I'm going to keep these. These are Pyrex glass ones. It's just good to have that for you never know. All this, I'm not going to bake cupcakes. I'm not going to do any baking till I go.
Well, this you use a pie.
Yeah.
You keeping this?
You know, I'm over that. I never use it.
Okay, this can go. It's a silver
serving tray. When I want a new fancy serving tray that goes with my house, I'm going to go buy a new one. So here's more trays I'm keeping.
For
we
sure.
Can pack up. Yes, I know that's an ugly old plastic scratched up one.
For sure?
Yeah. I'm going to be serving lemonade in my garden. I've got all these garden plans. I should get rid of this one.
It's never been used, it looks like.
No, I know. I put it up there. It was too big for down there, and I never needed it. So
this can be
I was going to use it for arts and crafts, but I can get rid of that.
Brand new. So everyone, don't comment that I should throw this out because it's yucky and used, because it's brand new.
It's never been used. I don't ever use this. I remember I had to have it. Maybe I should start using it for my vegetables. Do you use yours?
I do use these. So if you don't want it, I would take this.
Okay.
I never ever take anything, but we actually use these.
Okay, we'll take it for now, and then
you could take it back if I need it.
Yeah.
These are plastic, but I don't put hot food in them.
No, just like
I just put sliced carrots, celery, that kind of stuff. I don't feel it's really decomposing into my food. If it is, we'll see how long I live.
Okay.
Keep all these, even these ones?
Well, I haven't really used those, so we can give those away.
These ones are kind of hard.
Yes.
So get rid of these.
Yes. I like these. And you know what? We're going to have that yard to sit in outside. So that'll be nice to use these. Yeah, I like those.
So these ones we're keeping. Those are going. Okay.
Yeah. I don't really like these. So let's just get rid of them.
Okay. Glad I pulled
it out. They were
kind
of the winter ones I'd use. And every time I saw them, I'm like, I don't like those. These are our travel cups. You know what I don't use is this coffee one.
Going.
Yeah.
Pack it away.
Let's just pack it away. I'll move it over here.
We have made some major progress here.
Yes.
I am surprised that you're getting rid of so much because we had just gone through your kitchen.
We did, just recently.
Do you think because you're moving, that's what's helping you get rid of even more?
Yeah, and I can actually be real with myself and ask myself if I've actually used any of that stuff since we did it last time, and I haven't. So I was questioning all that back then, and so now I'm just going to part with it because...
It's been it's probably 4 or 6 months.
Yeah, right. So it's going to go. I don't need it.
Okay, great. Wow. I'm surprised. Yeah. You're making real progress.
I know.
Here.
It's weird that I keep coming up with so much stuff in the out of the same stuff, there's more and more. It just seems like it grows, but it's all the same stuff.
And a lot of you keep saying it's like peeling an onion. You find more and more as you go. So I think it becomes easier to let go too. Now our big job is to pack all of this up for the move and take all of those items to the thrift store. You can join us every Sunday and Wednesday for new videos at 6 a.m. Also, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! Bye.